All righty, everybody, we're back again over here with Mr. Eddie, the Repurposer.
Hey there.
And we're going to show you a little thing he built when it gets cold, you know, because y'all know sometimes it gets cold outside, you know.
Everybody's going to get cold, and I don't care who you are. The aggravating part about building a wood heater is somehow or another, it always wants to smoke. It'll speed it back in the house. I'm telling you, you don't know why, but it's a smoking. Well, I have built wood heaters all my life. And this is here I built because I didn't have no heat in the house, of course. After my house burnt down, this is a brand new thing for me. I might have mentioned that. But anyway, this heater here, I built it with all kinds of vacuums and thought. And what I do is I put this wood, I take this wood and I just push me some wood up in there. And I lay this piece of paper in there like that because I'm lazy. See, I forgot to, I told you the other day I was lazy. But anyway, I like this piece of paper here like this. And then I stand up and I reach right over here like this and I turn this gas on. Now what we got here is we got us a little gas heater inside this stove right here.
Look at that.
Inside here we got a fire, we got a stove, and everything. The problem that I cannot explain to you, but I know what I'm talking about. This door is open, it's sucking really hard. You can push this door too. Now if you go just past there and go to the inside, you can pull it back. Now that's a good hard flame. But if you take this right here and you push it into there, if you could hear it, it's sucking hard enough that I can hear the air being pulled in there, which makes the fire hotter and it'll make the house get warm quicker. So you leave it like that until you get your wood really hot and then you pull it back and let it smolder. But this wood heater here has got a pipe runs 20 foot across the room over there and it heats the whole place. Sometimes it could be better, but you know, it heats the whole place. I guess you can see I got another wire hanging up here. I'm kind of wired up, all right? If you want to know about this, just say, hey, you wired up? I said, right here.
Look at that.
Yeah. By the way, this is my back door here. I understand everybody's got back doors, but when you open my back door, I got a cup. I got a couple of Cherokee knots up here. Most folks don't know what they are, but those are Cherokee knots. Of course, this was my last jump. This is the handle off my parachute. I didn't let nobody else have that. And I got it made. Now this right here, this is the neatest thing. Please let me show you this. This right here is one of the few things that stayed out of my fire whenever my house burnt down. This is a hewer. You got to put a handle in it and you hew big logs out to lay other logs in to build log houses. You take this in and you beat it into the wood and it breaks it up in little chips. And then you take this side here and you hew it out. And that's the way you make your notches to put your logs inside of one another.
And that blade on it, look at that. It's got a scoop in there. Yeah.
Yeah, I try to find something every time I turn around. That's just part of what we had today. All right, me and God love you. That's 850-748-4646. If you want to know how to do something different, give me a yell. Me and God love you. We out of here.
I'm going to go and show you the rest of it going out. Because, see, like he said, it smokes. We didn't show you that part. And this is where it goes out up here. And out, up towards the back of the room and out. See, right on outside. The smoke goes outside. It don't smoke nowhere in the house. There's not any smoke in here from that chimney whatsoever.
And there's a pool table right here.
Yeah, we're going to show you that.
87 cents.
Look at this. Pool table.
$11.87.
That's a balloon sitting on the pool table. If y'all was
what
wondering
I'm here to tell you is all of this stuff is scrap that was picked up, that was thrown away, somebody else threw it away, and I put it together and made this pool table.
Look at there.
I'm a balloon shooting pool table man.
Here is see, here's the pool balls down here. See, they come out right down here in this little tray's got down here. And this is actually a working pool table.
Yeah, the kids played balloons on it, but you know, it is a good table.
So like I said, don't be jealous. What y'all think about that? He's got his own pool table. So,
inside a dungeon, I got a pool table. How about that now?
that's right.
Yeah. So you got to have a good time. Might as well. Come on.
That's right. And look, see, we got all this pretty. I don't know if y'all can. We have to back up and let's see this decoration. See, and that adds to the ambiance of the whole pool table here. Oh, he's gonna show you. See, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at all them lights and.
Yeah, I like the lights.
That's right. Oh, and here. See there. That's something else.
It don't get no prettier than that. I don't care who you are.
That's
Only
right.
be prettier if you're looking at me.
That's right. or me.
You gonna be telling things like that, you're gonna need to talk to somebody else.
Look at them lights though. I'll tell you. All right, like he said, he'll tell you again.
Eddie Richards, 850-748-4646. 10 either way you go. Me and God love you. We out of here.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And remember, you got to like and subscribe, so hit the button down there. Like and subscribe and share it with your friends. We love you. Peace.